guys, it's Jennifer from On the Road with Dolly. When we come back, we are going to show you a super easy 3-ingredient breakfast recipe that you will love to make when you're camping.
I'm just traveling, I'm just traveling on.
So we are going to make what we call in our family eggs in a basket. I used to make this for the boys because it was an easy kind of handheld breakfast out the door kind of thing. So super easy, only 3 ingredients. You need some eggs, some bread. I typically like to use sourdough, but you can use any type of firmer bread, and then a little salt and pepper and some spreadable butter to put on the bread. So all you want to do is take some pieces of the bread and spread butter onto both sides, and then I'm going to use just kind of a basic biscuit cutter, a pretty good size one that will make a nice hole right in the middle of the bread. And you can do this in a skillet on an open fire. We're going to use our Blackstone griddle this morning. So then we're just going to take, if you'll follow me over here, we're just going to take our bread that's been buttered on each side and lay it onto the actual griddle there. I'm going to add a little bit of butter in the center because I don't want my egg to stick when I put it on there. If you have a little spray, that could work as well. And then I've already scrambled up some eggs this morning. I put 3 eggs in here, and we'll see if that's just about the right amount. And basically the egg is going to fry itself right in the middle of the bread. I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt and pepper here to the side, and then do not forget about the center part, because for some reason these toasty little things end up being the best part of it. Okay, so once you can see that the eggs, yeah, they're getting just a little bit firm there in the middle, that kind of tells you that it's probably just about ready to flip. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip these. Doesn't that look good? All right, and then let's check this one out. All right, Marty, you're doing a great job with the camera there. All right, the egg looks perfect. Okay, and then this one, oh yeah. These are going to be the perfect little beachside breakfast so we can get down by the water this morning. And there we have it, a little eggs in a basket beachside. You guys have a great day.